Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling Linux Beta on your Chromebook and giving it enough disk space. This provides a Debian container where Godot will run natively. Once done, update Chrome OS so the Linux kernel and container tools are current, which prevents permission and compatibility errors. Next, download the Godot. Deb or the standard Linux build into downloads. This keeps files accessible from the Linux container. Make sure you know whether your device is x86 or ARM, so you pick the correct build. You now install Godot inside the Linux container and configure runtime dependencies so projects run smoothly. First, update apt and install gdeb if you have a deb that handles dependencies. Once in your Linux home, move the downloaded Godot file, make it executable, and launch it to confirm startup. If Godot complains about missing libraries, install them with apt. This resolves most runtime crashes. Also, set file permissions and consider adding a desktop entry so launching is one click. You finish by organizing your project workflow and learning one key fix for common failures. Share a downloads or external folder with Linux to access large assets and source control. Install Godot export templates into the templates directory so you can build for HTML5, Android, or desktop directly from the Chromebook. If Godot fails to launch, check the runtime log files and verify you use the right architecture build. Reinstall missing libs or re-enable Linux Beta if the container.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.